It's September 25th, 2018. I'm still in Lake Vermilion today. I'll be here until I go back to Wisconsin at the end of this week. I got out in an area called Niles Bay today. It's a fairly big bay just south of the lodge. I had found a few fish here yesterday, and then I just decided to troll with lead core, up and down the northern edge of Niles Bay. And I can see the fish on the sonar. It was a little challenging to get them to bite. I kind of spun through my lures until I found a chartreuse, an orange one. I think it was a shad wrap, size 7 shad wrap. And they're right. The fish were right on the transition. So where the rock met the sand, that's basically where I was seeing the fish. So that's 25 to 30 feet of water. So to get the lure down that far, lead core made the most sense. It was a little challenging because there is quite a bit of structure there. There's big boulders around and that kind of thing, so it's fairly easy to hang. If this is your first time here, I'm an avid fisherman. I live in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. I fish the Winnebago chain as much as I can, but I'm currently on a vacation in northern Minnesota, previously fishing Lake of the Woods, and now I'm fishing Lake Vermilion. In an effort to be a better fisherman, I'm documenting 100 fishing trips and posting the results on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button to follow along. Hit the like button if you like what you see. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section. Early fall is definitely the best time to be out around here. Not that I have experience at any other time of the year, but I can just imagine the boat traffic and things that are around in summer. I'm not sure how the bite kind of stacks up. I've been able to catch a few fish on this trip, but either more or less in spring or fall. On a fall weekday, there's hardly anybody here. I'm able to run just about anywhere. Nobody's going to get in my way. I'm not going to get in anybody else's way. I can take some time to find fish on the popular areas and things like that, and just experiment, and just a great time to be around on the water. I think people think as soon as Labor Day comes around summer's done, but if you can swing it, there's a lot of reason to be out here in fall. And there were big boulders around, so you kind of had maneuver. You have to identify you have to identify the boulders on side imaging and maneuver around them. Didn't always work. I got hung up a couple times. Kind of a pain. You have to run back and try to get the lure to release, and I was able to do that today. But sometimes you end up losing a lure. That's just the nature of the game. When you're fishing around big rocks like this. But all in all, it was a good day. It was flat, calm, and the weather was really good. Temperature was a little cooler. I guess we can expect that. It is fall, but it was just a really fun day to be out. So that's the report for today. This was trip 90 of 100 of my effort to be a better fisherman. Hit the subscribe button to follow along. 4 countable walleyes today and a bunch of little ones leaves the total for the year at 143. With this information, let's get out and fish.